If I'm the president of a PTA committee and we're helping funding this school after-school reading program, I would like to identify the purpose of it first. Whether it's just reading for fun or to read to develop skills. The best way for me to do is to have a comparison of a control factor versus an experimental one, in which I'll be measuring the number of books they read by adding a reward system. Anyways, the way I'm going to be doing is it's going to be completed into 3 different phases, of which of each will have 45 days each. Phase 1 will just be left by themselves. I'll make myself unaware. They're going to be reading their books and, carry on their own thing. On phase 2, I'll ask the teachers to hand them out reading logs, of which they have to record the number of books they read, the title, the author. This will help me to see whether or not the books are difficult or they're just reading for fun. So it's a little idea behind it. On phase 3, then I'll make myself aware in this point, and I'll be like, if you reach a class quota of, so many books, and individually you reach so many books, and if y'all complete this, then you guys get a pizza party or ice cream, whatever it is young kids like these days, I don't know. So the whole idea is a reward system. Now, the dependent variable on this will be, the number of books they each read. The independent will be the reward system. Again, some factors to consider for this is whether or not the kids themselves are motivated or they really want the pizza party, or even the teachers. For all we know, the teachers might be like, I want them to succeed. I want them to have this pizza party. They might be extra encouraging. So these are this comes with the problems with biases and stuff. As a parent, and my son's in this, I cannot be favored. I cannot be favorism toward him. I cannot be more lenient. I have to be strict, or not strive to have somebody else, monitor and I guess record his reading logs for me or something, because I can't do it because it's researcher bias. Some other problems, like I mentioned before, is the teachers. They might be more motivated. They might be more encouraging, and that might be the result why they either get or lose the pizza party. In the end of all this, I'm able to identify whether or not it's the reward system or motivation in terms of getting a prize, whether or not they get something out of it, or if it's just the teachers being extra encouraging. By having a control group of the first 45 days by themselves, it gives me an idea how many books, whether or not they're actually trying to read books or not. By the end of this, I hope to identify if it's just a reading purpose or just to develop, reading skills.